12th IT chapter Advanced Web Designing. Fill in the blanks. 700 questions. Fill in the blanks within 10 minutes. HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. HTML document starts with a HTML tag. The title of the web pages is written inside the dash dash title tag. The main content of web page is inside dash dash tag body tag. The HTML tags are written inside the अँगल ब्रॅकेट म्हणजे लेस दॅन ग्रेटर दॅन चिन्हामध्ये HTML टॅग लिहितात. द लार्जेस्ट हेडिंग टॅग इन HTML इज लार्जेस्ट हेडिंग H1 टॅग. सर्वात मोठं हेडिंग्स होतं म्हणजे शब्द येतो. द स्मॉलेस्ट हेडिंग टॅग इज H6. बोल्ड टेक्स्ट इज क्रिएटेड यूजिंग डॅश डॅश टॅग B टॅग. Italic text is written using I tag. Underline text is created using UL tag. U tag, फक्त U tag. Paragraph is written using dash dash tag P tag. Link break is created using BR tag. Horizontal line is created using HR tag. Hyperlink is created using A tag. Image is inserted using IMG tag. Image source attribute is SRC. Alternate text attribute is ALT. Ordered list is created using OL. Ordered list is created using UL. List item is defined using LI. Table is created using table tag. Table row is defined using TR tag. Table data is defined using TD tag. Table headings is defined using TH tag. CSS stand for cascading CASCADING style sheets. CSS property used to change text color is color. CSS property used to change background color is background color. CSS property used to change font size is font size. CSS property used to align text is text ALING. CSS can be applied in 3 ways. CSS written inside HTML tag is called inline CSS. CSS written inside style tag is called internal CSS, and CSS stored in separate file is called external CSS. CSS चे तिन्ही प्रकार लक्षात ठेवा. 3 प्रकारमध्ये पहिला आहे इनलाईन. इनलाईन प्रकारमध्ये HTML मध्येच काय केलं जातं, CSS लिहिलं जातं. त्याच्यानंतर स्टाईल टॅग वापरून जे CSS लिहिलं जातं त्याला इंटरनल CSS म्हणतात, आणि जे सेपरेट स्टाईल शीट लिहिलं जातं फाईलमध्ये त्याला म्हणायचं एक्सटर्नल स्टाईल शीट. CSS सिलेक्टर्स. ID सिलेक्टर स्टार्ट्स विथ डॅश डॅश सिम्बॉल. कुठला हॅश. क्लास सिलेक्टर स्टार्ट्स विथ डॉट सिम्बॉल. युनिव्हर्सल सिलेक्टर इज सेपरेटेड बाय स्टार. HTML form is created using form tag. Text input field is created using input. Submit button is created using dash dash type submit. Password field is dash dash password. HTML form data is sent using GET/POST. फॉर्ममधील डाटा सर्व्हरला पाठवण्यासाठी गेट आणि पोस्ट ह्या मेथडचा वापर केला जातो. CSS property used to set border is border. CSS property used to change font family is font family. The attribute used to specify link address is href. Image height is controlled using height attribute. Image width is controlled using width attribute. HTML commit starts with उद्गारवाचक चिन्ह लेस दॅन मध्ये. HTML commits ends with greater than मध्ये. CSS property used to margin is dash dash margin. CSS property used to padding is padding. Table border attribute is a border. The attribute used to merge rows is row span. The attribute used to merge column is col span. HTML page background color is set using BG color attribute. The tag used for division in HTML is div. The tag used for grouping element is spam. CSS property used to set text style is font style. CSS property used to set font weight is font weight. The attribute used to open link in a new tab is target. Target. HTML attribute value is written inside quotes. HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. CSS improves appearance of CSS improves dash appearance of web page visual appearance. The tag used to create a form label is label. The input type used to selecting single option is radio. The input type used to selecting multiple option is checkbox. The drop down list is created using select tag. Option is drop down are created using option tag. The area is created using dash tag. Text area. CSS property used for background image is background image. CSS property used to border color is border dash color. CSS property used to change text document is text decoration. The value used to underline text is underline. CSS property used to text spacing is letter spacing. CSS property used to line spacing is line height. CSS property used to visibility control is visibility. CSS property used for display style is display. CSS property used for post link is positioning is position. CSS property used for font layout is float. CSS property used to clear float is clear. CSS property used for Z index is Z index. HTML heading starts from dash to h6 h1. HTML table heading tag is th. HTML table data tag is td. CSS selector for id is hash. CSS selector for class is dot. CSS universal selector is star. CSS property used to text alignment is text align. CSS property used to hide element is display dot none. CSS property used to show border around element is border. CSS file extension is .css. HTML hyperlink tag is EA. CSS is used to designing web page. CSS rules consist of dash and declaration selector. The attribute used to set image path is src. HTML document begins with dash tag. HTML document begins. HTML body contains the inside dash tag body tag. HTML title tag is inside dash section head section. CSS property used to change a cursor style is dash cursor. CSS property used to overflow control is overflow. CSS property used to control element height is height. आता आपण 700 क्वेश्चन पाहिलेले आहेत आणि तेही फक्त 8 मिनिटामध्ये.